Check engine light on or flashing. Don't panic, here's an easy way to reset it at home. Let's get started. First, check the gas cap. Start with the simplest fix, this one often solves the problem by itself. Open your fuel door, remove the gas cap, and tighten it until it clicks. A loose gas cap is one of the most common reasons the light turns on. After tightening it, take a short drive, and see if the light turns off. If the light stays on, move on to the next step. Now, disconnect the battery. If checking the gas cap didn't work, try this next. Turn off the car, open the hood, and disconnect the negative battery cable. Leave it off for about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the car's computer time to reset. Reconnect it, start the engine, and check if the light is gone. If it's still on, try the next method. Pull the ECU or ECM fuse. If disconnecting the battery didn't fix it, this is another simple trick. Open the fuse box, look for a fuse labeled ECU, ECM, or EFI. Pull it out, wait about 10 seconds, then put it back in. Check if the light goes off. If it's still on, don't worry, move to the next step. Complete a drive cycle. Sometimes the system just needs time to reset. Start the engine, let it warm up, and take a normal drive. A mix of city driving and some highway usually helps. Often, the light will turn off on its own during this drive. Check a few simple things under the hood. Finally, look at your air filter, check for loose hoses, make sure your battery terminals are tight, and check your oil level. Fix anything that looks loose or dirty, then drive the car again. If everything is okay, the light should turn off. Check engine light stays on. Comment your car's make, model, and year, I reply to every question. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.